Hello everyone, good afternoon. Myself Dr. Tanima Singhal. I am a childbirth educator, lactation consultant and a Garb Sanskar expert. From last Sunday I started giving short series of topics, videos for topics which are very commonly asked by mothers during their breastfeeding journey. Let me tell you a little about myself. My name is Dr. Tanima Singhal and I have 12 years experience in obs and gynae. My basic graduation is in Ayurveda and then I have done my post graduation in reproductive child and health. Since 3 years I am practicing as a childbirth educator, lactation consultant or a counselor and Garb Sanskar expert. So today I am going to speak on COVID and breastfeeding. With the alarming increasing rate of COVID cases, we are seeing a lot of anxieties and queries are there in the minds of breastfeeding mothers, and they ask a lot of people around them about what is the correct thing about COVID and breastfeeding. So today I am going to speak a little about basics which you should know about breastfeeding journey during COVID, and also what are the hygiene measures which a mother should take. So first of all, if a mother is COVID suspect, so she is in isolation at home, so she can continue breastfeeding without any kind of dilemma or having any doubts. She can continue breastfeeding her baby as usual. Second thing, if she is COVID positive and she is allowed to stay home with her baby, then she can again continue breastfeeding with some hygiene measures which I will cover in the later part of this video. Third thing, if a mother is COVID positive and is not allowed to stay with her baby, then she can express breast milk and can send it for her baby who can have that breast milk. Fourth scenario is when a mother is COVID positive and she is not allowed to stay with her baby, also she is not advised to give breast milk to her baby, then also she has to continue expressing the breast milk so that the supply doesn't go down. Because for the brain to understand supply and demand, regular expression of milk is important to create that demand for the brain to maintain the supply of breast milk. So while she is under treatment for COVID, she has to continue expressing the breast milk every 1.5 to 2 hours as she was feeding her baby, so that her brain gets regular demand so that it can keep up its supply. Now, what are the hygiene measures which a mother has to take while she is breastfeeding her baby? First of all, she should cover her mouth and nose with a mask, which should be a good mask, a 2-ply mask, which is recommended for COVID positive persons. Second thing is, she should wash her hands regularly before taking the baby and also regularly so that the virus is not transmitted from her to other places. Third thing, she should get a good support from her family so that she is physically and mentally alert and happy, and so that she can give breast milk to her baby, because breastfeeding is again that puts a lot of toll on the mother. So since she is COVID positive, and so she would be having a lot of physical ailments also might be there because of the symptoms and all that, so family support is very important to keep her physically and mentally fit. Next is a mother should always cough and sneeze into a tissue, and that tissue should be discarded immediately, and then she should sanitize her hands immediately after that. Next is she should always wear a mask which should be properly covered, which should be covering her nose and mouth properly. Cleaning and disinfecting of the surfaces like crib, toys, etc. is very much important, especially which the mother has touched. WHO recommends breastfeeding as benefits outweigh the potential risk of transmitting the virus. So please continue breastfeeding. and you can also take an expert guidance from your doctor. I'm also giving online consultations for issues related to breastfeeding. Also, I am taking classes for breastfeeding and childbirth preparedness during pregnancy. I also give guidance on solid foods for mothers whose babies have completed 6 months. My clinic helpline number is 860-480-3205, which can be reached between 11 am to 8 pm Monday to Saturday. You can reach out to the clinic number and can take further details of any kind of services or products. We also manufacture some nutrition health products which are 100% natural with no preservatives. So you can call or message at clinic number and can take further details. Have a nice day. Enjoy your Sunday. Take care.